I can help. I'm the vocab witch.
How can you help us?
Well, a kite is a quadrilateral with exactly two pairs of congruent consecutive sides. So in order to fix your kite, you must make sure that you follow these rules.
But our kite is completely destroyed.
No worries, I know some theorems that can help you make another one.
Yay!
The first thing you need to know is that if a quadrilateral is a kite, then its diagonals are perpendicular, which means that you have to make sure that the two diagonals of your kite make a 90-degree angle.
It's a protractor. Yeah, it's 90 degrees.
Well, that's good.
Also make sure that exactly one pair of opposite angles are congruent.
Oh, okay. So these angles right here. Alright. And then this one. Oh, they are congruent.
Aren't these the properties of kites, Theorem?
Exactly, now you can go fly your kite.
Thanks, Theorem Fairy.
Anytime.
Let's go fly our kite.
Yay! Yay!
Woo! Oh, wow. That's a strange shape for a table.
Want to find the properties for it?
Yeah, sounds like a blast.
Yes, let's go. I wonder what shape this is. It's the vocab witch.
Do you know what shape this is?
Well, it seems to me that this is a trapezoid. A trapezoid is a quadrilateral with exactly one pair of parallel sides that are called bases. The consecutive angles, which common side is a base, are called base angles.
So these are the bases, and then these are the...
What about the other two sides?
Those non-parallel sides are called legs, and if both legs are congruent, then the trapezoid is an isosceles trapezoid, like this table is.
I wonder if there are any theorems for trapezoids.
That's where I come in.
It's the Theorem Fairy.
Where'd the vocab witch go?
I know 4 trapezoid theorems that can help you learn, 3 of which are for isosceles trapezoids.
Great.
What are they?
Well, the first one is if a quadrilateral is an isosceles trapezoid, then each pair of base angles are congruent.
Say what?
Well, if we label each angle in the trapezoid A, B, C, and D, which ones would be congruent?
So angle A would be
We don't have to
congruent
do this shot because
to
we're
angle
going to
B.
do like a...
Well, angle A would be congruent to angle B.
And angle C would be congruent to angle D. I get it.
Great, now if the trapezoid has one pair of congruent base angles, then the trapezoid is isosceles.
Oh, so because angle C and angle D are congruent, that means that the trapezoid is isosceles.
Or it could be because angle A is congruent to angle B. Then it's also isosceles trapezoid, right?
That's right. The other important thing that you should know is a trapezoid isosceles if and only if its diagonals are congruent.
They are congruent!
Then this is definitely an isosceles trapezoid.
Okay.
41.
Right? This one.
41. So they're both 41.
They must be congruent.
Then this is definitely a isosceles trapezoid. So.
Exactly, but there's one more theorem you should know. It's called the trapezoid midsegment theorem. The midsegment of a trapezoid is parallel to each base, and its length is 1/2 the sum of the lengths of the bases.
Wait, what's the midsegment of a trapezoid?
The midsegment of a trapezoid is the segment whose endpoints are the legs.
That's right.
That's cool. Thanks, guys.
No problem.
Okay.
Now we can go fly our kite.
Yes!
Woo!
Yay!
That's where I come in. That's where I come
It's
in!
the Theorem Fairy.
Where'd the vocab witch go?
That's where I come in!
It's the Theorem Fairy.
Where'd the vocab witch go?
I know 4 trapezoid theorems that can help you learn, 3 of which are for isosceles trapezoids.
Great.
What are they?
Well, the first one is if a quadrilateral is an isosceles trapezoid, then each pair of bases. Forget it.
Oh my god!
It's like my writing goes like from big to small.
Let's start from well the first one because that's
That's where I come in.
it's the theorem fairy.
Where'd the vocab witch go?
I know 4 trapezoid theorems that can help you learn, 3 of which are for trapezoid. Okay, I'm very
I
good
know there's
at
like an Allen equal A right there.
Alright.
Angle
tell you
A
teach you
is
something.
congruent to angle
Do you
B.
know-
Yeah.
Dude, hold on.
It's the vocab witch.
Do you know what shape this is?
Well, it seems to me that this is a trapezoid. A trapezoid is a